Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we generated work order for this route. Okay, we saw all these assets in one work order. Okay, so it's for this video we will generate work orders for 4 different assets with different job plans. Let's see how it will work. Let's check our assets for today to see if it's ready or not. It's not ready. Change status to be operating or active. Okay, let's go to routes again. To assets. Change status to be operating. Okay. Let's go to routes again. Go to assets. Change status. All these assets should be operating from the beginning, but this is for test purpose. It's not ready, but in your project it should be ready and work. Change status. Operating. Okay. Let's go to assets again. Okay. Now all these assets is operating. Let's go to preventive maintenance application from preventive maintenance module. So create a new VM. Stock it. It's preventive maintenance for assets. Let's apply our route RT0002 route for different assets. Okay, since this is different assets, we will not associate job plan, as we will associate them in route application. Let's add work type to be preventive maintenance with priority 0. Okay, let's go to frequency. Will be every month. Estimated date will be for 29, no problem. Save VM. Change status to be active. Don't forget this option. Let's generate work order 3. Okay. Okay, all these work orders generated on this VM. Okay, so let's see these work orders. Let's go to recorder module, recorder tracking application. Let's search for recorders related to this BM. Yeah. Okay, this is the parent recorder. So go to plans tab. This all recorders related to this recorder. This is a child recorder for child recorder. Should be at the same location with different assets and different job plan. This is the for recorder. So go to recorder. That's it. Okay. Let's take go to this is child recorder, one of the child. Okay, parent recorder this. Recorder tracking again. List view. Advanced search. Store. Parent recorder. Find. Okay, all this recorders, child recorders related to the parent. You can now run recorder records for these assets. Okay, now you have 4 recorders with priority 0. Parent recorder will be this. Okay, this is target start, target finish. This is the report. Okay, this is the task. See next one. This is the asset location, tasks, different tasks. Also different tasks, different location, different asset. But all these assets should be the same location, but this is for test purpose. Okay, last one. You can add more than one as you like. Okay, so that is root in Maximo. It's a very important application. Okay, you should use it if you have a lot of assets in the same location. These assets, you will do your preventive maintenance in the same day. Okay, so use a root application with one job plan task or with different job plan task. Okay, that's all guys. If you want to see more videos like this, tell me in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.